I'm Lieutenant Lloyd Mackinnon. I've been with the Sheriff's Office for over 18 years. This year will be the 6th consecutive year I ride for the Police Unity Tour. The Police Unity Tour consists of over 280 miles. We start out in Somerset, New Jersey. We ride over to Philadelphia, from Philadelphia to Baltimore, and then Baltimore into DC. Riding for the Police Unity Tour, we all have one motto. Our motto is, we ride for those who died. This year, I'll be riding for Robert Paris, aka the Silver Fox. I worked with Bob in different assignments. I always looked up to him as one of the senior deputies on my squad, and he's greatly missed every day. Deputy Robert Paris' end of watch date is April 12th, 2012. To this day, I wear this bracelet in remembrance and honor for him. Bob, I know you used to ride, so this one's for you, Silver Fox.